Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This video might sound sarcastic. This video might sound with a little bit of anger. This video might sound with a little bit of information and actual care for all you people. It's the way that you take it. But it basically, as you read from the thumbnail, is a revision to Christ University rules. In each year, I make videos telling you about the rules and regulations that Christ University has, but I still feel that it gets misled in between. Whenever people are consulting me of which college they would go, Christ University is always on their number one priority. They're literally begging me, Bhaiya, tell me how can I ace my interview? Bhaiya, tell me how can I do my entrance test well? Tell me tips for micro presentation. I really want to get into Christ University. Christ University is my dream college. And all of those things I understand because naturally it's a really good college. But at the same time, I also tell you about the rules and regulations that Christ University has. That, hey, it's hectic. Hey, it's strict. There is attendance policy. There are exams. There is pressure. There is dress code that you have to follow. And to that, every time just reply that I get from students and their parents is, yeah, we want it to be strict because we want to study. Yes, it is good that they have a dress code because we want to be corporate ready. Yes, we will. There is no problem with attendance and wearing an ID card, everything. This is how people say when they are looking to get admission into Christ University and once they've gotten the admission. But once they've gotten and actually joined the university, after that they'll be like, hey, this is so strict, bro. Oh my god, there's so much work to do, attendance, and there are fines, and oh my god, I can't do it. Why did you not tell me this before? And I'll be like, hey, I've always told you about these things. That is the reason, just again, for the benefit of everybody and for the people who don't want to go and check back my video, I want to repeat these rules and regulations for all of you people. Few may find it funny, few may find it important, few may find it sarcastical. But yes, these are the rules and regulations that Christ University, whichever campus you are in, Central Campus, Bannerghatta Campus, Lavasa Campus, Delhi NCR, Kengeri, Yashwantpur, all of them follow these rules and regulations. And it's important to understand that they will not change these rules and regulations for you. So either you join the university knowing that these rules and regulations exist, or in fact don't join because anyways, there is a huge acceptance rate is very less. So it's okay if you looking for another college. I'm being very honest with you here because there is no point of you in joining something and then hating it. Might as well know about it and then take a call of joining, not joining. You guys can definitely see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session to make a call whether these rules and regulations are fine for you. Are you okay? Do you think that your personality will be able to adjust to these rules and regulations or not? All right, no more lingering around. Here are the rules and regulations. Number one, attendance in Christ University. Christ University has a very strict and stringent 85% attendance rule, which means that you should have an attendance of above 85. 75 to 85 is where it is debatable, questionable. You will have to give fines, you will be detained, you might have to do library hours, all of that. But still, 75 to 85 depends on case to case of what can happen. Below 75, there is no chance for you to be able to give an exam and sit for your end SEMs. I'm being very, very honest here. Whether you were a national level player or an actor in Dharma Productions or whatever the case may be, below 75, it's no chance for you to be able to give the exam. So as a mentor, senior, alumni of Christ University, I'll be very honest with you and I will urge you to have attendance above 85. One benefit I will tell you, what I used to do at least in my college time, is to have attendance above 95. Because if you have attendance above 95, they will give you free 5 marks in each exam. And they are a blessing in disguise. So please do that. Second rule of Christ University is dress code. So each campus of Christ University, you have to be wearing formals. You cannot walk in with chappals or t-shirt or just jeans or shorts. You have to be wearing formals like a shirt, tie, and jeans. And for girls, it's suit, kurti, dupatta. You have to be doing that. On some days, you have to be wearing formals, the uniform of which Christ University will provide you. And on the other days, you would just have to be wearing that. Some departments have rules regarding wearing tie compulsorily and some don't. That depends on department to department. Same is the case with beard and tattoo. Some departments have a rule of not allowing students to hold a beard, while others they would allow you to have a beard. So that also depends from department to department. But please don't come back to me later, oh, I have to wear formals every day, shirt, pant, and oh my god, I can't do it. And so cut the crap around it. You have to be following that. Third thing that I want to tell you is that there is a fine culture in Christ University. So if you break rules and regulations, you would have to pay fine to the authority. There is no escaping that. So don't be like, oh my god, I have to pay fine here. Oh, I missed my attendance. No, I have to pay fine there. You would have to pay fine. So please be ready for that. In fact, as a suggestion, avoid breaking the rules so that you don't have to pay fines. If you are breaking rules, then you naturally would have to pay fines. Along with these things, the unheard rules of, these are not exactly rules in the handbook, but I will tell you, Do not disrespect faculty members and guards. And I'm telling it through my personal experience, not that I disrespected any teacher or guard, but I've seen other friends of mine and other people disrespecting them and having a really tough time later. Trust me when I say this, if you are in the good books of your faculty members and professors, they have your back. They will send you for different extracurricular events. They will give you attendance if you're legitimately doing some good work. They will help you with your research papers. They will send you for different competitions, not only in your particular city, but in different parts of the country and the world. And naturally, if you're not in good terms with them, if you're unnecessarily arguing with them, you are going to have a tough time. So avoid that. Same goes with the guards and the people that you see for. I mean, like I said, it's an unheard rule of this. I'm pretty sure you should even be following in your home. So whether it's a house help, your driver, or anybody, respect them. It's high time that we understand that. Along with that, unheard rule. I don't know whether it's unheard or it's there in the handbook. Please do not use phones in the classroom and the academic blocks. They do not allow it. I have been a victim to it, very honestly. So many times my phone was confiscated because I was either using it in my class or in the academic block, and you're not allowed to do it. Yes, outside the academic block, you're free to use it whenever, however you wanted to, but inside that, please do not do it. Okay, it's I mean, it's again more of a suggestion from a mentor and a alumni. Don't do it. Like, it's better. In fact, even the whole dopamine rush, avoid it for a while. Another unheard rule of, I don't know whether it's unheard or not, but yes, you have to be mandatorily wearing your ID card. Students come to me, भैया ये तो मंगलसूत्र हो गया, इसके बिना तो कहीं कुछ कर नहीं सकते, this that. Yes, it is what it is, and it is for your safety, because imagine if somebody walks into the university without an ID card, guards allow them, and he or she is not a part of the university, harasses a guy or a girl, or maybe comes in with drugs, or is a terrorist. You never know. So from the perspective of management, it's important to know who their students are and who their students are not. And this is not a Christ University rule. In fact, every good university in the country and the world has an ID card system, because they need to know who are their students, who are not, to protect, in fact, the students inside the vicinity of the campus. So please, again, don't come back to me with these silly things. Again, unheard rule of is that Christ University is super hectic. Be ready for the grind and the grit. Without, when students see me, yes, bhaiya, we are fully ready for it. We want to work hard, we want to study, and their parents will be setting, yeah, we are sending kids there. We don't want any distraction for them. We want them to study, we want them to attend classes. And otherwise, after that, they will start missing their CIs and midsems. Please don't do it. Christ University is hectic. Be ready about it. Be ready for the hustle that you're going to get, because there are fixed times of classes, and here actually teachers teach. It's not like in other universities where you'll see teachers come and go, write few things on the board and they go. Here teachers will teach. They will take an effort in helping you understand about things in the university, things in your academic progress, and they will regularly monitor your progress. So like I said, it's perspective of the way you look at it. Few people should actually use their teachers to their advantage, and few might just be complaining about it that, oh my god, I don't want to study, why are they teaching? But be ready for the hustle. So yes guys, that's all I have for this particular video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you super soon with another video. Take care guys, bye bye.